Hello, this is Surjyapratap Sarangi. I have qualified the CSIR NET LS with All India rank 115 in Life Science during the June 2022. So I was prepared for the CSIR NET with Biotecnika. So in my point of view, the Biotecnika is a better platform for the preparation of CSIR NET. I'm telling from my experience, all the faculty members are well experienced. They help me a lot in in-depth doubt clearing and understanding of the topics. During the class they used to attend all the doubts of the students, and also there is one like academic chat section in which you can ask your doubt, and they always attend those doubts as well. I got the in-depth understanding of the all the concept from Biotecnika, and the test series of Biotecnika, the weekly test provide me the experience, like exam like experience. And the questions are like somehow similar to the questions asked in the CSIR NET and other all India level exams. In the AIM NET series, in the AIM NET series is a platform in which I have gained the question solving ability, and and the time and the time management from the AIM NET series. So I will like to thank Biotecnika to be a part of my journey, and I will thank all the all and every individual who have encountered during my journey towards the CSIR NET. Thank you.